Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make cinnamon sugar donut muffins. These donut muffins are super soft and easy to make, so keep watching. You need 1.5 cups of flour, half teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half cup of sugar. Mix it well, then set it aside. So you need half cup of milk, 75 grams of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1 egg and whisk it. So if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you love to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn notification for weekly updates. Add the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient and mix it well. Line your pan with some liner, then scoop the batter into it. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. After baking, allow the muffins to cool for 5 minutes before removing from the pan. For the cinnamon sugar topping, you need 66 grams of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, then mix it. You also need about 5 tablespoons of melted butter. So dip the muffins into the melted butter and roll in the cinnamon sugar mixture. So guys, if you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share and leave a comment.